Dear Mom, please remember to give your infant exclusive breastfeeding first 4 or 6 months. According to WHO and the American Academy of Pediatrics recommendations, it's advisable to give your infant exclusive breastfeeding first 6 months of his age. But according to American Academy of Allergy, you can start testing your infant mashed food from the age of 4 months. So you can give the baby very small amount, just taste the food to stimulate his tasting sensation and to stimulate his immune system to identify the food which he can eat later from the age of 4 months. This can help your infant to be familiar with the taste of the food and he will not refuse the food later in. But if you feel that your infant is refusing or have allergy for tasting food at the age of 4 months, postpone it to the age of 6 months. Please, Mom, remember, breastfeeding is very, very necessary and very helpful for you and for your baby. It protects your baby from many diseases like acute illnesses, like gastroenteritis, like cow milk allergy. It protects your infant against respiratory disease infection by raising the immunity of your infant. It protects your infant against allergic disease and eczema. It protects your infant against asthma. Many trials and many researches showing that breastfeeding can decrease the chance of getting asthmatic attacks or bronchial asthma in breastfed infants. Breastfeeding help emotional support and development of your infant. Eye-to-eye contact during feeding your infant help him to develop early and become more mature and more intelligent by identifying and communicating with you and with the surroundings. Breastfeeding help in proper bonding between you and your infant. Breastfeeding can protect your infant against cancers and leukemia. Breastfeeding protects you also from getting breast cancer. It increases the chance of protection and decreases the chance of cancer breast if you give breastfeeding. Breastfeeding helps you to develop, to get out of the remnants of delivery after delivery. So we advise the mothers to start breastfeeding even at the delivery suite after passing the baby within the first 30 to 60 minutes. This will help the birth canal to regain the natural size and get out of the blood remnants after delivery. Breastfeeding is a magic for you and for your infant and for your family and for the community. Breastfeeding saves your money also by avoiding you buying unnecessary milk bottles, and breastfeeding protects the environment, and breastfeeding protects your community against unnecessary plastics and unnecessary bottles can be avoided by giving your breast milk, which is very biological and very clean and suitable for your baby and rich in big amount of antibodies and immunity transmitted from you along your life to your baby. You have a big store of immunity along your life against diseases which you expose during your whole life, and simply you will give it ready-made to your infant through your milk. So please continue supporting breastfeeding to your infants, and don't forget to give or to start weaning gradually to your infant from the age of 4 to 6 months by adding small amount of mashed puree, well cooked, natural or healthy food like vegetables, all type of vegetables you can try, all type of fruits you can try. Trying vegetable or fruits need to be single. Give one by one for 3 to 5 days to identify if there is allergy for this type of food. Then if no allergy, you can increase the amount gradually, or you can mix more than one type gradually. And at the 6 months also, you can give your baby one egg. This contains enough amount of vitamin D. Besides supplementing infants, don't forget supplementing infants taking breastfeeding by vitamin D 400 up to 600 international units daily, except if there is deficiency in the mother. The mother also needs to treat her deficiency of vitamin D or her deficiency of iron to avoid transmitting this deficiency to your breastfed baby. Weaning is a success of healthy breastfed infant. If you don't give proper weaning, your infant could have vitamin D deficiency or rickets or deformity of the bones, or it could have iron deficiency or anemia. So please take care of your diet and your supplementation when you are feeding your baby especially, and take care of supplementing your infant gradually by natural homemade healthy food. And I hope inshallah good life for both of you and for your family. I hope good life for you and your baby and your family, and have a nice day. Goodbye.